Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about counting item occurrences in Python. If we want to know how many times an item appears in an iterable, we can use the counter clause from the collection module. The counter clause will return a dictionary of how many times each item appears in an iterable. Let's say if we want to know how many times the name Tom appears in our list, we can use the counter clause of the collection module. So let's see, from collections, we're going to import counter, and we are going to have our list, or this is going to name list, and this will be such as Tom, Peter, Mike, and John, and then again Tom. And now we are going to have our name counter, and we are going to call counter and pass in our list name list, and here we are going to call this function get, and we are going to pass in the name Tom, and we're going to print a string. This would be Tom appears in the list, and this will be name counter, and just times. Let's run our script and check the output. The count should be 2, and here's our output. Tom appears in the list 2 times. We can also count using a normal for loop. So let's try that now. So we have another variable counter initialized to 0, and then we are going to use a for loop, and we are going to grab a name from our name list, and we are going to check if name equals to Tom, then we are going to increment the counter, and we're just going to add one to it, counter, add 1, and at the end we're just going to print we're just gonna do Tom and just print its count. So this would be our counter. Now we can run our script again. And we get the same result with this one too. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.